We're now here in Malaysia. So, what I've learned today, Malaysia composes three races, right? The Chinese, Indonesian, and
Malayan.
no,
Mandarin.
Borneo. This is what
Their street looks like every night. So, lots of different kinds of
they're rich in nasi lemak. I mean, they're rich in chicken here. No pork, just beef and chicken. Because they are Islamic country, so they don't eat pork. So right now, we're just done with our dinner. We ate a lot, right? We ate nasi lemak and nasi beef, nasi rendang, and then laksa. Laksa, spicy laksa. Yeah.
Pati.
So lots of tourists around this way.
Did you know that their mango is very expensive?
Yeah.
It's 100 pesos.
Oh, we're gonna go through this street now. I know. They don't wanna go through.
Dirty siya.
So, oh beautiful.
I see. I did answer.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Kasali ako doon?
I'm here in Malaysia right now.
I'm here with
I'm so tired right now because we're walking from pavilion to our hotel.
yeah.
That's why we're tired. But
So what can you say
we're so
about
blessed
Malaysia?
That restaurant
What you can say about Malaysia?
treat us some food.
Yeah.
What you can say
Me
about
too.
Malaysia?
We're
I can
grateful.
say about Malaysia is malay mo, malay niya, Malaysia.
Nice punchline.
Yeah.
Yo, what can you say about Malaysia?
Malaysia has what's that? What did you say?
What can you
Yes.
say about Malaysia?
Malaysia is just like Philippines. It's cheap than Singapore. Their food but cheaper.
The food here is cheaper.
Yeah, and also delicious. But it's just the same as Philippines.
Yeah.
Not a very international country.
It's international.
It's local country.
What she's saying is that the weather is just
Same.
feels the same, just like Philippines, and there's no much different because we're in tropical country. Yeah, and then the same food, except there's spices.
What spices?
Oh,
What
do
do
you
you mean
know
by
what-
spices?
There are lots of spices that we don't have in the Philippines, and
What
then
kind?
the taste like coriander.
You go.
What?
No turning back.
We will video.
Uy, taga na kahit yung clip, ana.